Yesterday I had a dream about one of the recipe which I used to love a lot, and that is veg kolhapuri. And adding a little bit of paneer will make it excellent. And we're going to make the masala from the scratch. First I'm going to make the paneer. Just half a liter of milk here. Add vinegar. Do not add too much vinegar. Add little by little. When you see that the milk and water is separating, switch off the flame and transfer the milk solids into a muslin cloth. When your family members want to eat paneer, just make it fresh at home, because the homemade paneer is very tasty and nice and soft. The technique is drain out the water, take it on a plate and put another plate on top and add little bit of weight, not much. A lot of people, the mistake they do is they put too much of weight. If you put too much of weight, your paneer will become hard. Just right amount of weight and it will become perfect. You can use store-bought Kitchen King masala or any of the mild garam masalas, but I'm going to make a special masala here. This is somewhat similar to Goda masala of Maharashtra. Add red chili, little bit of peppercorns, lot of coriander seeds. In this, a little bit of cinnamon, black cardamom, star anise, clove, a little bit of fennel. Also add some cashew nut, some cumin seeds and a little bit of poppy seeds. The reason why we added the cashew nut is when you add this masala, your gravy will also get a kind of nice mild thickening, and even the poppy seeds will make it very tasty. After around 4-5 minutes, you have to add dry coconut. If you put high flame, it will get roasted very fast, but on a slow flame, if you roast it for 7 minutes, the maximum aroma from these spices you can extract. This dry coconut, you have to roast along with this till the coconut will start getting a little bit brown color. That's when the aroma, the curry will be excellent. Put it in a blender. You can make this masala, put in a bottle and use in many of your cookings. And this will give a very special taste even for non-vegetarian dishes. The super aromatic and beautiful. If I have to make Goda masala, I would have roasted it even more darker. Add oil, little bit of cumin and finely chopped onion, salt, and let this onion slightly color. In this, add pinch of turmeric, garlic and crushed ginger. This curry is a little bit rugged and super tasty. In this, add pinch of hing. We're going to give a very nice red color. That is what kolhapuri is all about. So I'm adding Kashmiri chili powder. If you add it when the oil is too hot, the chili powder will discolor. So look at this. When the color is extracted from this, immediately add tomato puree. Cook all of this together. Add vegetables. I've got the water, the whey that is from the paneer. So add this. This will not only make the gravy very tasty, also nutritious. When the whole thing comes to a boil, we're going to add the masala. This much should be good enough. The cashew nut, the whole masalas will give it a flavor, and the aroma is just too good. Put the lid on and let it cook for another 3-4 minutes. Vegetables will be cooked fine. It's up to you how you want to cut the paneer. So I'll just cut them into strips. Add the pieces of paneer. This will enhance the recipe really good. In this, to bring the best flavor, add capsicum, add some green peas, and the finale is a little bit of kasuri methi. Kolhapuri being spicy, you can also add some green chili. Those green chilies are really hot. Chopped coriander, that's it. The dish is ready. And on top of this, we add a little bit of fried chili. Even here I have used some curry leaves also. It's up to you. The vegetables are perfectly cooked. The gravy has to kind of slightly coat these vegetables. Pick up those paneer pieces. This is how. And I just want to show you the gravy. Nice, spicy, hot rice. Aha. The kolhapuri, I like it because of this gravy. Look at this. Beautiful with the vegetables, the paneer, everything. We all love paneer, and especially when the paneer is made at home, what else do we need? Always You got to enjoy these kind of things really, really hot. The flavor, the aroma in this, of course, it has got the tomato makhani kind of effect because we added kasuri methi also. But this one has that special spicy, and the crushed ginger garlic will make this even more special. You know, the pieces of paneer, the Kolhapuri recipes have that kind of the pickly aroma. This is what is called fulfilling your dream. Yesterday I had dream of these flavors, and I'm so happy that it came just as perfect and so delicious. Dear friends, I tell you, food is one of the easiest way to fulfill your happiness, and always make fresh food. When you eat best of the best food, you got to do ding chicka, and this bite